If you've never pickled peppers before, you've come to the right place. If you want to follow this recipe to a T, go ahead and get each of the ingredients shown here. There's a list of what I have, including the measurements in the video description, alongside a list of other ingredients you can add or swap. Let's get started. Start by cutting your peppers. You can dice them, cut them into rings, or leave them whole. Personally, I like making them into rings, but do whatever you'd like. If you're doing whole peppers, make sure you poke a few holes in them so the brine can get inside. Once the peppers are cut, I'll dice up an onion so I can throw a handful into the bottom of the jar. It gives your brine the acidic punch of a raw onion. Now it's time to make the pickle brine. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I added a teaspoon of ground mustard and substitution of mustard seed. Mix it well and bring it to a simmer. Heads up, if you use ground mustard or anything powdered, it'll make your brine cloudy, but don't let that throw you off. It's perfectly fine. While the brine heats up, throw the rest of your ingredients into a jar. I added a small handful of onions, as many peppers as I could fit, 3 fresh basil leaves, and 1 large fresh parsley leaf. Now, once your brine has reached a simmer, pour it into the jar with the fresh ingredients. Be careful, as it'll be very hot. Seal up your jar and let it cool to room temperature, then it'll be ready to go into the refrigerator. Leave it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days minimum, and then you'll be able to enjoy your pickled peppers. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'd love to have every one of you watching be a part of that journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.